Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher Ranchi. So guys, this is going to be the next part of our series, which is LRDI Basics to the Advanced Level. I hope this series is helping you in your LRDI preparation and making you familiar with the topics related to arrangement as of now. So slowly and gradually we will shift to the other topics like Venn diagram, set theory, number based logical reasoning, right, and other puzzles as well, right. So on this note, let's try to solve the set. So today also we are going to see a set based upon the arrangement, but as we have seen in the last two sessions, we have seen the number based arrangement, and this is again going to be on the same line, right? And this is again a set based upon arrangement plus Sudoku puzzle, right? Let's try to read the set. So there are 6 young cadets, Neo, Zara, Leo, Mira, Ayan, and Rico joined the Interstellar Academy for a rigorous 2 years astronaut training program. The program had the evaluation phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. At the end of the training, each cadet receives a unique rank from 1 to 6 in each phase, and no cadet scored the same rank in more than one phase. Okay, so as of now, if you'll see the paragraph, there are 6 people or the 6 young cadets, which are these are the 6 young cadets who is going for 2-year astronaut training program. एंड इस प्रोग्राम में इवैल्यूएशन के लिए 4 phases रखे गए हैं, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4, right? And at the end of the training, after the exam, after they got they have crossed all the 4 phases, they got a result, right? And at the end of the training, each cadet received the unique rank from 1 to 6 in each in each phase. Now this line is very important. Each cadet received a unique rank from 1 to 6 in each phase, right? That means what? If we'll say let's say phase 1, if we'll say, let's say there are 5 people, so A, B, C, D and E. So in every phase, or let's say in phase 1, A, B, C, D will have unique rank from 1 to 6. Let's say this is A, B, C, D, E and F as well, right? So that means what? If 1 is here, 1 cannot be with B, 1 cannot be with C, D के साथ, E के साथ और F के साथ 1 नहीं हो सकता है. That means what? That makes कि same column में same rank repeat नहीं हो सकता है, which is again a kind of, you can say, Sudoku type of puzzle, right? I think this is clear. So in any of the column, the same rank could not be repeated, right? Now, no cadet scored the same rank in more than one phase. Okay, so if you say, let's say we have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4, right? So in that case, if we say for the cadet A, B, let's say for A and B only, so no cadet scored the same rank in more than one phase. That means what? अगर A को phase 1 में rank 1 आ गया है, so rank phase 2 में it cannot be rank 1 and phase 3 में it cannot have rank 1, phase 4 में उसको rank 1 नहीं हो सकता. That means what? Again for A as well, the rank in all the 4 phases has to be a unique number, right? And by reading this statement, merging these two statements, now we came to know that this set is going to be a set of arrangement plus or more of a Sudoku puzzles, right? Guys, pause the video, try this set by your own and then watch the solution. Now let's try to solve the set. So for this solving the set, we need a table or a matrix of maybe a 4 by 5, yes, 4 by 6, yes, 4 by 6, there are 6 cadets and they are going to have 4 phases, right? So now look at this. Now for the paragraph is already explained. Now look at the facts which is known, right? Now first, Neo did not score either first or second rank in any phase. So out of 4 phases, Neo has not scored first rank and second rank. So what are the potential rank for Neo? That will be, I'll write it here. So 1 and 2 cannot be possible. So this will be 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first statement is taken care of now. Second, Zara did not score second and third rank in the phase. So she must be scoring in the 4 phases. She must be scoring 1, not 2, not 3, 4, 5, and 6. Similarly, second is done. Third, Leo did not score third and fourth in any phase. Third and fourth. That means Leo must be scoring not 3, not 4. That means it must be scoring. He must be scoring 1, 2, not 3, not 4. So this will be 5 and 6. So Leo is also done. Mira did not score either 4 and 5. So she must be scoring 1, 2, 3, not 4, not 5. So this has to be 6. This is done. Now Ayan did not score 5th and 6th. So it must be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And finally Rico did not score 6th and 1st rank in any of the phase. So 1 nahi ho sakta hai. So this will be 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it has not covered. It has not scored rank 6 as well, right? So 1 to 6, all the statements now is taken care of, right? Now, statement number 7. Leo, Mira, Rico, and Ayan were ranked 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th in the phase 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. One word is missing here. Okay. Fourth respectively in the phases. So okay. So respectively word is already given here, right? So now Leo will be scoring rank 1 in phase 1. Leo rank 1. So I'll write 1 here. Rank 1 in phase 1. Done. Mira rank 2 in phase 2. Mira rank 2 in phase 2. Right, Rico rank 3 in phase 3. Rico is rank 3. I'll write it 3 here. 3 in rank in phase 3, and 4 in rank 4 in phase 4. Rank who? That is Ayan. So Ayan, yes. So this has to be rank 4 in. So this will be 4. Statement number 7 is done. Statement number 8. Now Zara and Neo is ranked 6th in phase 3 and phase 4 respectively. Zara rank 6th. Zara, yes, this is Zara. Zara rank 6th in phase 3. So this has to be 6th. Now this rank is 6th. And if this is 6th, and Neo must be scoring the 6th position in phase 4. Neo phase 4. So this will be 6. Like this is how we have extracted all the data from all the statements, and nothing we can, nothing these statements have for us, right? So we need to comprehend now. So since we already have discussed that no two column will have the same numbers, or no column will have any column will not have the same number repeated, and as well as any row will not have the same row same numbers repeated, right? Since this is a kind of Sudoku puzzle, we already have discussed. Based upon this statement, each cadet receives the unique rank from 1 to 6 in each phase, and no cadet scored the same rank. Okay, that means what? And now I can say, एक बार मैं फिर से explain कर देता हूँ. Since Neo has scored 6th rank in phase 4, so I can say it इनमें से किसी में 6 नहीं होगा. This cannot be 6, this cannot be 6, this cannot be 6, and similarly इनमें से भी किसी में 6 नहीं होगा. ठीक है? So same row and same column में same number repeat नहीं हो सकता है. And on that basis, let's try to fill the remaining cells. Okay. Now we can say that if you look at this, so this is like Neo has 6, so in any number we can put here, right? So you have to start with, try to find a cell, or try to find a row or a column which has maximum number of numbers or ranks we have, right? So like यहाँ पे 6 देखो, यहाँ पे 3 है. So if you look at this cell, अगर आप इस cell को देखोगे, so this cell cannot be, this cannot be 6, this cannot be 4, this cannot be 3. तो ये 6, 3 and 4 नहीं हो सकता है, तो 3 and 4 नहीं हो सकता है, और 6 भी नहीं हो सकता है, right? Okay. Now similarly, if you'll see उसके ऊपर वाला, just उसके ऊपर वाला cells देखो. Now if you'll see this, तो यहाँ पे मैं बोल सकता हूँ this cannot be 6, 3 and 2. So 2 नहीं हो सकता है, 3 नहीं हो सकता है, 6 नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है? Now we know Mira can have the possibility of what? Mira can be 1, 2, 3 and 6, but यहाँ पे this cannot be 6, since this column has 6, this cannot be 3 क्योंकि यहाँ इस कॉलम में 3 है. This cannot be 2 since यहाँ पे भी 2 है, 2 इस रो में 2 है. So 2, 3 and 6 नहीं हो सकते. So we are only left with what? 1. This is how you have to think, right? So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? So this will be 1 here. यहाँ पे 1 put करेंगे, right? Now if this is 1, now I can say in just below this it cannot have 1, 3 and 6, 4. 1, 3 and 4 नहीं हो सकता है, तो this has to be 2. This has to be 2. And if this is 2, and now look at this cannot be 1, 2, 3, 6 नहीं हो सकता. 1, 2, 6 नहीं हो सकता है, तो this has to be 5. And if this is 5, now phases, all these phase 3, there are 6 people, so there will be 6 consecutive ranks, which is 1 to 6. So 1 हो चुका, 2 हो चुका, 3 हो चुका, 4 missing है, 5 and 6 हो चुका, so this has to be 4. यहाँ पे 4 हो जाएगा, right? Similarly, if you'll see यहाँ इस वाले place पे देखो, now it cannot be 3, 4 and 6. Okay, fair enough, कोई बात नहीं. यहाँ पे देखते हैं, so it cannot be 2, 3. This cannot be 2 and 3, ठीक है, पर यहाँ पे एक से ज्यादा possibilities है. Now look at this place or this place. Look at this place. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, so this cannot be 1 since this column has 1 already. 1, 2 and 4 नहीं हो सकता. 1, 2, 4 नहीं हो सकता, तो this has to be 3. So यहाँ पे क्या put करेंगे? This will be 3. This is 3. And if this is 3, so now we can say ion के लिए देखो आप 1, 2, 3 and 4 possible था. 2, 3 and 4 हो चुका है, so 1 is left, so 1 will be here. So this is done. 1, 2, 3 and 4 ion is done, right? Similarly, अब आप यहाँ देखो मीरा के लिए देखते हैं. So मीरा, this cannot be 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 नहीं हो सकता है, so मीरा के लिए यहाँ पे 6 बचा. So 6 is gone. We already filled in the table. 2 and 1 is gone. 2, 1 and 2 gone. बचा 3, तो 3 will be here, right? I think this is clear. आराम से easily सुडोकू टाइप है, सुडोकू जैसे आप इसको fill कर सकते हो. Now coming to next. If you see, this cannot be 2, 3 and 1. अभी नहीं फिल कर पाएंगे. आगे देखते हैं यहाँ पे 1, 5 नहीं हो सकता है. Look at this. This cannot be 4, 1. देखो, this cannot be 1. This can be 2. Yes, there can be a possibility. But since it has 3 and 4, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look at this. This cannot be, since इस कॉलम में देखो तो 3 and 4 हो चुका है, तो it cannot have 3, 4. ये यहाँ इस रो में 1 हो चुका है, इसलिए 1 नहीं, sorry 5 and 1 दोनों है, तो 1 and 5 cannot be possibility. 6 भी possible नहीं क्योंकि इस कॉलम में है, तो 1, 5 and 6 नहीं हो सकता, तो बचा क्या? 2. So this will be 2. And now Leo is also done. If you see, right? And मीरा के लिए भी सारा हो चुका था, Leo के लिए भी हो चुका. So 1, 2, 1, 2 is done, and 6 is remaining. 5 is already done, so this will be 6. So 6 is also done, right? So now, as of now, we are able to fill the we are able to determine all the all the ranks in different phases for Leo, Mira, and Ion, right? Further, if you see. Now, look at this. If you see for Zara, so it cannot be 2, 3 and 4. So 2, 3, 4 and 6 नहीं हो सकता है. 2, 3, 4, 6. But यहाँ पे 1 possible है, हाँ है. 4 possible है, नहीं है. 5 possible है, yes 5 possible है. So there is only one left, which is 5. यहाँ पे 5 हो जाएगा. एक बार फिर से चेक कर लो. So it cannot be 6 because इस column है 6. 4 भी नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 है. 1 नहीं हो सकता. Yes, okay, guys. यहाँ पे 1 भी हो सकता है, right? 1 और 1, since this column or this column and this row cannot have 1. It have not 1 and 5, so it can be 1 and 5. तो ठीक है, इसको बाद में देखेंगे. रुक जाओ. Now, if you see this, the last cell, right, for phase 4, so it cannot, since Leo के पास 2 है, मीरा के पास 2 है, 3 है, आयन के पास 4 है, so it cannot be 2, 3 and 4. So it has to be, naturally it has to be 5. तो ये 5 हो जाएगा. And the moment you have filled this, अब now I can say uniquely Zara के लिए phase 4 में हम लोगों को पता है कि this is going to be 1. यहां तक आई थिंक सबको क्लियर हो गया. ठीक है. नाउ आगे देखते हैं. Now if you try to fill this, यहाँ पे fill करके देखो, तो यहाँ पे it cannot be 3 and 5, तो 3 and 5 is already filled. I'm left with 2 and 4. Since this column already have 2, तो यहाँ पे 2 नहीं हो सकता है, तो बचा क्या? This has to be 4. And अगर ये 4 हो चुका है, so this has to be 2. ये 2 हो गया. Now easily doable, right? Easy, pretty much decent set can be solved within 5 to 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes on higher side, right? Now अब देखो यहाँ पे Zara के लिए देखते हैं. Zara cannot be 1, 2, 3 हो चुका है यहाँ पे. This cannot be 1, 2, 3. Similarly 1, 2, 3 and 6 नहीं हो सकता है. But 1, 2, 3 and 6, so 1, 6 नहीं. तो there is a possibility for 4 and 5. ठीक है, इसको छोड़ दो. आगे देखते हैं. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, look at this. So at this place 4 and 6 is already done, 4 and 6. So this will be either 3 and 5. So this will be either 3 and 5, and this will be either 5 and 3. But it cannot be 3. This cannot be 3 because इस column में already 3 है. तो यहाँ पे 3 नहीं हो सकता, तो this has to be 5. और ये अगर 5 है तो यहाँ पे 3 होएगा. And this is how Neo is also done. Right? Similarly, अब आपको पता है ज़ारा कैसे फिल होगा. So for a column 6 consecutive numbers होने थे, 1 हो चुका, 2 हो चुका, 3 हो चुका, 4 is missing, so this will be 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is done. Similarly, phase 2 में देखो 1 2 3 4 5 is missing, so this is 2. This is how we have filled the table using these all possible ranks to different cadets of this astronaut training program, right? Pretty much decent set, बहुत अच्छा था. आप खुद से करोगे, you'll enjoy the set, right? Now quickly let's solve the questions. Now first question, the rank of how many of the given 6 cadets can uniquely determine. हम लोगों को सारे पूरे टेबल में सारे नंबर्स को हम लोगों ने यूनिकली, सारे सेल्स को हम लोगों ने यूनिकली भरा है, इसलिए now we can determine the ranks of all the cadets. So answer will be all 6. If Leo is ranked 5th in phase 4, Leo ranked 5th in phase 4, okay, but Leo has ranked 2nd in phase 4. That means what? आगे पढ़ो, what is the rank of third phase? Now look at the option number 1. Since Leo का rank 5th है ही नहीं phase 4 में, which is rank 2, तो मेरा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Leo cannot be ranked 5th in the phase 4, so this scenario is invalid, which is a correct statement, right? Which is a correct answer. Okay, now question number 3. So who is ranked 2nd in phase 2? Rank 2 in phase 2. Rank 2 in phase 2 is Meera, which is already given in the question, guys. Look at the statement number 7. Meera is ranked 2nd in phase 2. So this is a like straight away question, right? And the last question, look at this. Leo is related to Ion in terms of their ranks in phase 2. ठीक है, Leo and Ion phase 2 में कैसे linked है देखते हैं. So Leo is ranked 1 in phase 1 and Ion in phase 2. The question is talking about phase 2, right? So Leo is ranked 6th in phase 1 and Ion is Ion is 1. Okay? Now the question is who among the following is similarly related to Leo in phase 1? So Leo in phase 1. So Leo is rank 1. So Meera will be ranked 6th. Meera rank 1 and 6, 6 and 1, right? So this is how Meera is related to this. So the answer for this question is Meera. So answer is Meera. Meera is the answer. Meera is the answer for the last question. So easy questions, not that difficult. Start करने में, when you start filling the cells of this Sudoku puzzle, there will be difficulty, but एक दो numbers fill करने के बाद it's pretty much easy. Hope guys you have enjoyed the session, and this series is helping you in your preparation. Thank you for watching the video. If you have liked the session, please share with your friends and to all the CAT aspirants that you know, and also subscribe to the channel for such contents. Thank you.